ప్రస్తుతం మనతో పాటు మంత్రి అజరుద్దీన్ ఉన్నారు, మాట్లాడదాము. సార్, యు ఆర్ హియర్ ఫర్ పాస్ట్ 4 to 5 hours.
Right.
So you met so many people,
Yes.
and you have taken so many applications.
Yes.
So what the problems they came with you?
Mostly the problems are with waterworks and then GHMC and mostly Indrama Illu also. So there are a lot of other issues are also. Some people have personal problems also because they come with personal problems. So we looked after, we got almost close to 200 applications, and 50 applications we have dealt with the problem. But hopefully and the other things we have written to the HODs, and then there are some police issues out there, some other issues, secretary issues are there. So we have written everything, and hopefully inshallah things will happen and they will all get benefited by this face-to-face interaction with people. It's a very, very good thing. I'm very happy to be here and would like to have more interaction like this so we connect with the people.
So what is your take on Sir?
My take on sir is that whatever has happened in Gujarat, in Bihar and Assam and then Bengal, I think it should not happen anywhere in the world. So that is my take, and hopefully, inshallah, it will not happen.
And CM Revant Reddy is facing so many allegations about Metro. So do you want to say anything about
No,
that?
there is no allegations. He's trying. He's working very hard. People, when you work very hard, when you do some different things, people always talk about it because they have to think positively because he's doing everything positively. So I don't see any reason why anybody should talk ill about him and say things. Because he's doing for the betterment of the state and he's doing for the betterment of the people of Telangana state. That's his only main thing in it. That's the only thing he has in mind. He wants to develop the state. He's developing the way he wants to because he's got some very different ideas. So he's implementing it. So when you have some different ideas, when you start implementing, people in the beginning don't like it. That's why you guys see all these people writing. But when the project is finished, then they will definitely appreciate him. I wish the CM the very best, and we are all behind him. We are rallying behind him, and then we will take care of everything. Thank you.
Thank you.